Do you want to know how you can enable two-factor authentication in Dropbox? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Take It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable two-factor authentication in Dropbox. Open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to dropbox.com. Now go to your settings, which is in your profile, and then you should go to security. Now you can see the two-step verification. You should go ahead and turn it on. After you turn two-factor authentication, you should go ahead and click get started. Now type in the password of your account. After that, click on next. Click on next, and then there are two options, using a mobile app or using text message. So go ahead and use text message and use next. Now write down your phone number, press next, and an OTP code will appear in your SMS. Type in the OTP code which you just got and then press next again. Now you can either add your backup phone number or just press next. You should go ahead and copy these backup codes and then you should press on next. Copy this code for extra security and then press next. And your two-factor authentication has been enabled. So let me show it to you once again how you can enable your two-factor authentication using Dropbox. It is quite simple. When we show it to you once again, open Dropbox and then go to your profile, tap on it, go to settings. Now go to security. You can see two-factor authentication, and now to turn it off again, you should keep your password, press next. Make sure to keep a valid password, otherwise you will not be able to authenticate it. After that, press next. So you have disabled your two-factor authentication. Now let me turn it again. Press on, go to get started. Now type in your password, and then after you've written down your password, press next. Now use text message as it is simple. Now go to next, type in your phone number, press next, an OTP code will appear in your SMS box. Go ahead and copy it, paste it over here, press next. You can even write the backup number, copy this code, press next, and your two-step verification or your two-factor authentication has been enabled. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.